Hi, Cooking with Judd Quickie. I just decided I wasn't going to bother with this one, but I decided if this works, we ought to have it on film or video or an electronic chip of some kind, forever enshrined on the computer. I'm trying something new with chicken wings. This is it. I cut up all my wings into little sections, and now what I'm doing is I threw them in with some sour cream and shook it up in the container here. Boom, boom, boom. Get it all coated with sour cream. And now I took some gluten-free 4C breadcrumbs, seasoned with some Parmesan in them. Added a cup of those, a teaspoon and a half of salt, a teaspoon of pepper. I'm coating them in that now. And I'm going to bake them and see how these come out. Okay, there are the chicken wings all breaded up and ready to go into the oven, and which has been preheating at 450 for about 10 minutes now. So I'm going to stick that in, and the amounts I used, the cup of that, very little left over, and I used about 6 big dollops of sour cream. So quantity worked. I started with 8 wings, I think, and I'm using the 2 upper sections. I threw the little section away. So we'll see how this goes in a little bit. Time to see what we got. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. And the breading's stuck. Last time I tried something other than milk or egg, the breading didn't stick. The breading's pretty much sticking to this, but sour cream is sort of a milk thing, so it ought to. They're smelling good, although maybe a little too much Parmesan. Maybe next time I'll use the plain ones. But we'll let these set for 10 minutes or so, and then we'll see. Be back for a little bit. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's see how this baby is. Whoop, aside from stuck to the pan. Why doesn't Pam work? Okay, here we go. Woo! Wow. We are good. Need some more salt though. Happy day to you.